Hi guys, good morning. Nag-harvest po kami ng aming garden. Tatawa ako kasi ang carrots namin ay sobrang liit at saka yung onions, but the potato is not bad. And our beans is just a few. Well, I'll show you. Para naman is makita nyo din. So guys, ito po yung na-harvest namin. Look at the onions. Para yung kung gaano ko siya tinanim, kung gaano kalaki ko siya tinanim, parang ganito din siya kalaki ko hinarvest. Tsaka yung beans, look at, ilang piraso lang. And tingnan mo naman yung carrots. Ang liliit. My goodness. Liliit. Right? Meron pa dito. Talagang tingnan mo naman yung mga onions, guys. Oh, sobrang liit. Excuse my hand kasi kaka-harvest lang namin. Diba yung onions is talaga. Like this carrots. Pero you know what? I plan to do this as a pickled carrots as well together with beans. And now, papakita ko sa inyo yung may naiwan pang isang tomatoes doon sa garden na hinarvest ko ng isang araw. So, now, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung potato. Kasi hinarvest din namin yung potatoes, right? So, let's do the closer look of our carrots, beans, and onions. My goodness. Diba? Sobrang liit. But so far, guys, the potato, we're not so disappointed with this one. Kasi, diba, ang lalaki nila. This one is purple. Liliit lang ng purple. And the rest is white potato. There's some small potatoes here, but not bad. Ito is na-chop namin when we harvested. So, we need to cook this one right away. So, we have actually like red potatoes, white potatoes, and purple. Diba? Not bad naman yung yung mga potatoes. Yung carrots lang talaga is yung maliliit. So, I'm going to put this one in the cold room to stay longer. Para naman tumagal. Kasi, yan ang purpose ng cold room, guys. Para tumagal yung vegetable natin. So, meron ako doon cold room sa baba, sa basement. Nandun yung onions namin. No, not onions. Sorry, my bad. Garlic. It's a homegrown garlic as well. It's organic. So, now I'm going to put this potato. But I'm not going to put the onions and carrots. I'm going to pickle those. Kasi ang liliit naman nila. Para naman hindi sayang, guys. Kasi ang mamahal na ng mga bilihin ngayon. So, kailangan nating maging practical sa buhay. Diba, guys? Nakita nyo na. Ganun, ang liliit ng harvest namin. Ang liliit ng carrots. So disappointing. Disappointing. Kasi ang liliit. Tapos ang init pa. But hopefully next year is kasi we're going to move our garden at the front yard. So hopefully we'll have a good harvest next year. Alright? So nandyan po sa baba yung cold room namin. So dadalhin ko siya sa isang room doon sa may left side. So yan po yung cold room namin. Pakita ko po sa inyo. So, may switch pa dito. We'll turn the lights on. May freezer kami dito. So, itong nilagay yung rice ko. This is empty, guys. There's nothing on it. So, here's my garlic. Dito pa siya nilagay. So, lalagay ko rin dito. Salansan ko dito yung potato. Ganyan din siya. Ganyan sila. So, ayan na siya. Naka-arrange na siya dyan. Pero meron pa tayong isang pail na ilalagay dito. Naiwan sa taas. Kukunin ko. Alright. So, ayan yung garlic. Konti lang siya. Pero matagal naman maubos yan. So, now, here's the potato. Sinabrat ko yung mga maliliit para if in case gusto kong mag-roast ng potato. Or just saute it with garlic and rosemary and butter. Yan siya, guys. since tapos na, so, isara na natin itong cold room. Turn the lights off. Close the door. And then, babalik na tayo sa taas. Madilim. Madilim. Excuse my face kasi Hagardo Bezrosa ang itsura ng peg. Anyway, init. Thank you guys for watching. Natapos din ang pag-harvest pero yung bangs talaga, bangs is life. Thank you guys for watching. Mainit. Bye.